Landlords across America. So many of you have been doing this one thing as it pertains to holdover evictions that has been costing you time and money for years. And that one thing is waiting. You wait. Many states, particularly here in New York State, it is required that if you wish to terminate the lease, or not renew the lease, or terminate the tenancy, you must give them a 30-day notice. In New York, it can be a 30-day, a 60-day, or a 90-day. That is based upon the length of the lease, or how long the tenant has lived on the property, either which is in favor of the tenant. Many of you wait the last day of the month in order to have them serve the notice that you wish not to renew their tenancy. You cannot do that. You must provide enough time for the process server to serve that notice upon your tenant adequately and get it into the mail prior to the first of the month in order for that 30 or 60 or 90-day time frame to start tolling. This really pertains to what 99% of you are doing, but 100% of you should do, is that you have the lease begin on the first of the month when the rent is due on the first of the month. Today is Sunday, August 27th, 2023. You really should start this process no later than tomorrow to get the time needed to serve the tenants and the mailing to be mailed out to the tenants. If you do not, and the tenants get the notice served on them on the 4th or the 5th of September 23, then the actual time frame of the 30, 60, 90-day here in New York State does not begin until October 1st, 2023. Stop waiting. Stop believing that your tenants are going to leave when they say they're going to leave. Have them serve that predicate notice, that 30-day, in some states here in New York, the 30, the 60, the 90 day. Have them serve that notice within 10 days. Try, it's real easy to do, to start the process 10 days before the first of the month. Because if they get it on the 2nd of the month, now they have all of what would be here October, all of November, all of December for the 90 days, and then whatever's left over in September. So they very well have 117 days when all you have to do is give them 90, but you waited to that last minute, and by that time, it was too late. Too late. Therefore, when you want to start a holdover eviction proceeding, it has nothing to do with money, you just don't want to renew the lease, you just want them to move out, do not wait until the end of the month. This is Matthew Lyman from the Landlord Advocates. Please subscribe. We thank you.